This video is just a quick walkthrough on installing the OEM fog lights. Before, in my previous video, I showed you how to install aftermarket ones. And if you want to know how to wire them up, you can go back and watch that video. I'll put the link in the description. But it's real easy to do. Basic hand tools, Dremel, drill, wire, everything you can order off eBay. The fog light housing, the bug, the pigtail. With the fog light, the outline is already there. Just gotta cut it out in the front and in the back. The outside is cut, and now to cut the inside. And let's test fit the fog light. And it slides in flush. Let's check the back of it. Power is connected. And lights are on. Man, that's the fog. It's pretty bright. This is the headlights and fog lights. This right here is just the fog lights.